Here we have the DEPSTECH, DEPSTECH rotary tool. Now this is not a Dremel, this is a rotary tool. Here we go, got the case opened up right here. Now I'm going to try to stay out of the shadow, making a shadow here. So, here we go. Nice little case here. Plastic forged blow molded case. Here we have the tool itself. Put this aside right now. There we go. We have a, now this is a battery operated tool. So we're going to have the USB-C type connector. We have a, some people call this a router guide. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. There we go. Trying to get used to this camera angle here. This will screw onto the end right here. We have a safety guard. There we go. This will also screw onto the end. And we have a container full of accessories. Now in this accessories are several cutoff wheels, some sanding drums, polishing pads. We have some sandpaper here, a diamond coated grinding wheel. Got some more sanding drums here. Got some more brass collets. More cut-off wheels. And an assortment of other accessories in here. Now I'm hoping there's a wrench in here. Let's go through this real quick. There should be a wrench. Yes, there is. It's on the bottom. So let me take all these out, pull out this wrench down here. There we go. Just the ordinary rotary tool wrench. Okay, the tool itself. Here we go. It's an oval shaped, not round like the other tools. More of an oval shape. Down here at the grip is round. Here's the off and on button. Speed control back here in the back. And the collet lock button right here. Okay, to install an accessory, hold down the collet lock button, open this up. There is already a collet on the inside here, and it should be a 1/1 shank size. There we go. So to put a accessory in, you put this collet nut back on. Just pick out the size or the one that you're going to use. For this one, we're going to use this carving bit. It's round. It's got a round head on it. So we're going to put it in, push it in all the way, and pull it out like a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch. Tighten that up while holding this in the lock button and lock it down. There we go. Very easy. Got several vent holes, air circulation, and you got a hook back here. If you want to hang it on some kind of hanger that you might have. And the charging C ports right here on the end. So, not too bad. DEPSTECH written right here. Cordless tool model DC08. Got another sticker on the back with different information that nobody ever reads. Doesn't feel too bad. Light enough weight. So, since I have the carving bit in, I have a piece of wood right here. Been sitting out here on this table for a while. Let's just zoom in on this. There we go. Let's see how this handles in carving. Now this is the old piece of, looks like poplar or oak. This is an old piece of oak. I'm going to turn it on. We're going to start out on speed number 3. See if we can get this a little bit closer here. Let's take it up to number 5. There we go. There we go. Plenty of power to hog this out. Now I find this comfortable to use. It's not too heavy in this back end. Of course it's going to be heavier because the battery's back here, but it's not uncomfortable to use at all. Let me zoom out some more. Zoom back out. Whoops. There we go. Very comfortable to use. Reasonably priced. Should be plenty of power to do what we need to do. So I'm going to take this off. This is the thumb guard. And I'm going to put this back on. This is a good idea to use this while you're carving. There we go. Very easy to do. Keeps the dust and debris from blowing towards your face. Very, very nice accessory to have in this kit. So I'll give that a two thumbs up. Now this mounts the same way, it just screws on. Has a depth gauge right here, so you can lower it up and down. Pretty easy to figure that out for your own needs right there. Seems to be pretty steady. Should work good enough for what it's intended to do. DEPSTECH. DEPSTECH. Rotary tool. Like I said, this is not a Dremel. This is a DEPSTECH. A Dremel is a brand name. Rotary tool is a tool name. I'm going to use this a few months, get back with another video and tell you how I like it after I use it for a while. So far, I think it will be fine for what most people will need. Don't have any issues with any of the power. Y'all saw how it worked on this old piece of oak I have right here. Take that out. DEPSTECH. There we go. DEPSTECH Rotary Tool. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.